Yeah, it's been a very consistent, warm spell at the zoo. Normally you get a day here, a day or two, but it's so long now, so we're keeping a really close eye on the animals. Lucky enough, they all have air-conditioned houses, so the first thing we give them is choice to go inside or outside. They can decide. But on top of that, it's really nice to give them some treats to keep them cool. You've seen our orangutans this morning, and the keepers made up special like fruit pops, which have a multivitamin drink, some seeds, some chopped fruit. So really healthy, really good, and they use it to cool their hands down. We've actually seen them placing them on their forehead and then licking off the juice. So that's really good. Tigers we have are moor tigers, which come from a very cold region. Although they're well adapted to life in our climate, this is warm for them. So they have a really cool pool. But also what we do is we freeze the meat into blocks, large blocks for them. And they lay on the meat and they lick the meat, and it'll cool them down for long periods of time. It's a great form of stimulation, a great form of enrichment, and a great form of controlling the body temperature. Over the past few days, the elephant family, which is remarkable to see them, we brought in 10 tonne of organic clay and mud and made a big massive mud wallow and used fire hydrants to fill it. And it's really sticky mud, and it's been sticking to them, and it creates a sunblock on their coat and keeps them free from insects and protects them. But apart from that, it's a whole social event for the elephant calves, and we've seen them playing, rolling, swimming, a real great fun, because we got 5 calves from 4 years old or younger, and just to see them all together and these young calves playing, stimulated, happy, active, it's a joy to watch. And a lot of the animals that we in the zoos are zoo bred animals for many generations, and there's an adaptation. They have adapted to our climates. Our climate in Ireland is particularly good for animals. In our zoo, animals are out or have access for nearly 365 days a year. We don't get extremes of hot or cold, except for what we're witnessing at the moment. But like, weather is novel value for animals too. Like in the snow, the elephants loved being out in the snow for short bursts. We had some wonderful footage of our penguins flapping in the snow, and these penguins we have come from a warm climate. So novelty factor is good, but it's once the animals are given choice, and that's the strength of our design of our habitats. If you look at our elephant habitat or tiger habitat, the strategic planting from our horticultural team to create shaded areas so animals have choice. Step into the heat, get into the shade, get into the water. It's all about choice and opportunity.